In the summer of 1908, deep in Siberia, the sky caught fire. A blast so powerful it flattened over 80 million trees. People hundreds of miles away were knocked to the ground. But when scientists arrived, there was no crater, no impact site, just silence. It was June 30th, 1908. The remote region of Tunguska was just waking when a fireball tore through the morning sky. Witnesses described it as the sun falling to earth. Seconds later, an explosion, estimated to be 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Windows shattered, horses bolted, the ground shook like an earthquake. For years, no one came to investigate. Tunguska was too remote, too wild. When scientists finally arrived in 1927, they found devastation. 800 square miles of forest flattened. Trees all pointing away from a single location, like matchsticks after a blast. But there was no crater, no fragments, no sign of an impact. The most accepted theory, a meteorite or comet entered Earth's atmosphere, exploded midair, and vaporized before hitting the ground. But other theories are stranger. A volcanic gas explosion, a black hole passing through Earth, even an alien spacecraft detonation. Over a century later, no definitive proof has emerged. We know something massive exploded over Tunguska, but we still don't know what. In the middle of nowhere, an invisible hand swept a forest off the map. The Earth still bears the scar. And somewhere out there lies the truth, waiting.